Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels friends option not showing. Now first of all open your Instagram application and then tap on your profile icon. Now tap on 3 horizontal line. After tap on 3 horizontal line, scroll down again. Find here help. Tap on help and then tap on report a problem. Now tap on report a problem without checking. Now tap on don't include and continue. Now verify explain what happens or what not working. Step your problem here. You can see here, hello Instagram team, my Instagram account Reels friends option not showing, so please help me my solve in issues as soon as possible. After text write here, then tap on send. After send it, go back your home screen. Now open your Play Store application. Tap on search here Instagram. Then type on here Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Now update your Instagram application. You can see my Instagram apps already updated. Now go back your home screen. Now tap on restart and tap on again restart. Doing this process hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.